Okay, so I decided to go a little bit lighter. I was gonna make another 90 there and there, but that will add more material, and this 1.5 inch cube is already heavy, so I think I'm gonna go like that because I'm gonna have to be reinforcing and adding some material anyway, so I think like that is gonna look okay. Okay, so I have the rear axle out. I'm gonna continue taking the engine from that mount, and the first thing I'm gonna be making is this bearing holders slash supports. That way I can start mounting the axle to the frame and see how I'm gonna fit it. Also, this engine has these clamps to the frame. The thing is, my chassis is smaller than this, so I'm probably gonna have to make another plate like this one. The good thing is I can make a plate and just bolt it down to these bolts, which is okay. So I'm gonna get to it. Okay, so I got these little plates. I made 3 of them, which are the bearing holders. They go like so. They're exactly the same as this one, but like now that way I can have the bearings. I put the bearings like that, and then I will hold this to the chassis, and then that way I'll have the rear axle. Okay, so I've been bending with my M600, and I had some kinking on my tube. I was going crazy. I didn't know what was happening because I bought the same material at the same time, and one bend worked perfectly and the other bends didn't. So I didn't know what was happening. Probably I thought that it was because it was very rusty and I didn't put any oil in it or something. But what happened was that they sold me the wrong material. So the one that is bent here and is really nice, I'll show you now, I see 120 wall, and this one is 08 wall, which, I mean, you can tell, but I don't know, I couldn't tell when the guy sold it to me, so I just grabbed it, and I'm obviously gonna use it because I don't think it's gonna change at all in the performance, and I think it'll be perfect anyway. So now I'm figuring out a mount for the engine, and this 1.5 fits perfect here. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna cut this one, add it to the chassis, and then I got a perfect support for the engine. Okay, so I made this spindle holder, I think that's the name. So that goes here, exactly the same as this one, because I didn't feel like cutting that chassis. I mean, I can probably reuse it for something or even sell it. So what I did is I just took a piece of cardboard and traced it however I wanted, like the shape I wanted it, like so. And then transfer it into steel, like this. Then I cut it almost more than halfway, and then I bend it on the vise. It turns out like this. Now I gotta put some holes here and fill this with weld and weld it to the frame. It's really like so somehow. Starting to take some shape here. I'm definitely gonna be cutting through the middle and welding some plastic to it so it's wider. I just really want to I want it to look like if it was from factory. So I don't know how I'm gonna be doing and closing this thing just now, but my idea is that that thing goes like over the tires, so like so. Okay, so I think using the plasma here was one of the worst ideas I had for a while, but it actually works. You can see like this. So now I literally have 1.5 inches higher, so the frame, instead of being down here, it's up here, which I'm pretty happy about it. I mean, it looks like crap, but I'll be filling those holes with weld. It will take me a while, but it's doable.